Alright guys, so yeah, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of all the miners I have, all the Helium miners that I currently have. So let's start with the first one. Yeah. Hope you guys like my transitions here. Bobcat, People's Miner. Yeah, look at that. Our first Helium miner was the Bobcat miner. Shout out to Voskcoin. Watched this channel, saw this, and also the Nebra. And I went with the Nebra. And then I realized, why did I do that? So I went back and ordered the Bobcat. Could probably got it sooner, but I actually canceled my Nebra order and just stuck with the Bobcat. So yeah, as you can see, the power cables. If you guys haven't seen a power cable before, yep, that's it right there. Then we go to the authentication certificate. Then we also have the little SIM tray tool there. And we got some screws, mounting screws, to mount the device. Bobcat's pretty big, I would say, compared to the other ones, but yeah, you can actually mount it. Maybe some mounting screws, pretty cool. Then we have the antenna base here, so it's pretty awesome. Cool base, yep, amazing. For the base antenna that comes with it, which I don't remember how much. Oh, 4 dBi. Yep, remember that. We used that base antenna for like a month before I went out and bought new antennas from Rack, which will be in the description below. Gotta check that out. And of course, opening up the Bobcat. Let's open it up. Yeah, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. The Bobcat with the original logo, not the new logo. I am looking to buy some new Bobcats now, but I do have some other miners that you guys will see unboxing pretty shortly. But yep, as you can see, we have a SIM, an SD card, power, Ethernet, and of course, space for the antenna. Like I said, this Bobcat has a nice little thing here you can unlock to do the mounting with. Mine is not mounted, but if you guys want to, yep, Bobcat, the best miner out there. Here's some pictures to show what it looked like with the 4 dBi antenna, and then of course now with the 8 dBi from Rack Wireless.
For this video, real quick, I wanted to put out one unboxing the minted GoldSpot miner from Rack Wireless, the limited edition, the gold edition. I love gold, yes indeed. All right, as soon as you open it up, see that you're greeted with, you're able to write down your 12-digit wallet codes that are given to you by the Helium app when you download the Helium app. Put this paper in the safe, and it's great because it also keeps the instructions on how to plug it in, get it set up, etc. So please, if you're thinking about putting it on the back of that, please put it in a safe or somewhere else. Put it to the side for now, right next to our boy. All right, here's the moment we've all been waiting for, the unboxing. To see the gold Helium hotspot miner. And look at that, ladies and gentlemen, the limited edition. First, before we take that out, let's look at the antenna that comes with it. This is a 2.3 dBi antenna, not bad at all. The Bobcat came with a 4 dBi antenna. I upgraded up to an 8 dBi by Rack Wireless, funny enough. I'll put a video out on that and where you can get those from. But if you want to get started right away, this comes with a 2.3 dBi antenna, which is not too bad. And of course, it comes with a USB charging brick. I'm not gonna take this out. You guys all seen what kind of USB charging bricks they are. I'm looking to gift this to someone, so I'm not gonna open it up because I already put mine out, the second one that I got, but this one I want to gift to someone, so I am going to not open it up. You guys want to see a USB-C charger, check all the other plugs that you have, of course. And then of course, the bad boy himself, the limited edition, all gold Helium hotspot miner. Look at that bad boy. Look at it. Look at that. I don't want to try to show the serial number, so I'm just gonna rotate it as much as possible. Try to block as much as possible. But look at that, guys. Limited edition. Whew. It's a bit heavy too. Look at that. All right. So yeah, I definitely set one up at my parents'. I'm going to do a quick reviewing of it right now on this video, but I just wanted to give an unboxing real quick so you guys can see what it looks like once it's unboxed. Hanging with our boy Link from the Wind Waker series. Sorry, Link, stop playing with you. Welcome back to TechTeddy channel. Let's take a look at these new unboxing of the Helium BlackSpot, huh? Alright. Start here. You guys all seen power bricks, they're all the same. Power, USB-C, nothing different, right? So, put that aside for now. Of course, they have the 2.3 dBi antenna. Nothing different here as well. Yeah, I'm gifting this to someone, so I'm gonna put it back in the box. Then we have the bad boy here. Yes. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Minted. Yeah, pretty cool. Compared to the gold, so we have the network cable. Power, USB-C, set button, antenna. Today I want to discuss this Helium hotspot miner made by Linxdot. Now, I've been a Helium hotspot miner now for about 8 months, I would say. And I started off with a Bobcat miner, which is one of the top Helium miners out. And then also got into the minted GoldSpot miners. And of course, I did pre-order this and it came in about a month or so ago. Didn't get a chance to get it set up. Trying to find a place to put it, of course. And I said, you know what, before I even get it out there and start receiving Helium, I wanted to do a quick unboxing and discussion about the Linxdot miner. So let's get into it. Here's the box, of course. I don't have a trusty unboxing tool yet, so we're gonna go back to the nice red scissors. And now that's open up. And here we go. This is the device, of course. I'm sure we have the power brick and stuff here. So let's start with the box. All right, of course. Has the antenna, power cable, the antenna. I wonder if it tells us how much dBi is on it. Not too sure. All right, I guess has a nice reflection. Here you can actually see the iPhone that's recording this video. But let's get to the inputs and the outputs here. So we have where the antenna is going to get screwed onto. We have USB here, we have the Bluetooth pairing, we have the LAN. There's also this wireless as well, Wi-Fi connection. we have the USB-C here, and we have the power cable. So very straightforward. As you can see, it's not a ton of things that needs to be plugged in, but we know we screw on the antenna first, plug in the network cable, or if it's going to be Wi-Fi, and then we power it up. So that's basically the quick unboxing on the Linxdot hotspot Helium miner.
And that concludes the videos. Guys, thanks for watching the unboxings. Big fan of the helium mining. If you guys want to support and send any helium my way, please, I'll leave my helium wallet down below in the description. I also leave a link to where you can buy the rack wireless antennas. And please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I see you guys in the next video.